We are currently providing a 5-month internship for 10 students. We have been very busy over the last months planting trees, planting vegetables, planting grasses, pruning trees, taking cuttings, growing mushrooms, saving seeds, all sorts of things. We will be running another internship in 2024 on April the 1st for 3 months. So please get in touch if you're interested in taking part. The details will be linked down below.
Today is our last day of the 5-month internship, and I would love to share my experience with you. It's been truly amazing to be part of this first fusion of permaculture and syntropic agriculture in 5 months. And I really enjoyed that. We had like a lot of time to digest information, to have practical days, to get into the earth, to feel the soil. And R.A.S was a brilliant teacher, and I was really enjoying all the stories, side stories and doodles, and just the easiness throughout the course. And would absolutely recommend, if you have time, to go into this experience.
R.A.S was an excellent teacher. I loved to be with him. He was always bringing lots of interesting information to our classes apart from what was on the schedule.
When I came to Spain to R.A.S's course, which we accidentally found on the internet due to the YouTube algorithm, I thought that I will learn about growing veggies and do some gardening and just spending time in nature. But it turned out to be much more than this. So now I'm somehow shifting the view on life due to this course, and it's very interesting to see how other people live and how they value the nature, the rain, for example, here in south of Spain, how their lives are closer to nature. And thanks to us, I realized that the food we're eating is not actually food. So here I got the chance to really eat a real food, which he really knew how to prepare. This is actually a nice experience, and I think it's somehow the best investment you can do in yourself to participate to his course, in his course. So I really recommend coming here and spending time. If you have the chance, spend some months here and you will see it's true what I say. Yeah, that's it.
Month.
It was one of the best experiences I had, learning about permaculture and syntropic agriculture. It really changed my perspective about food and life in general, and I would recommend it to anyone who's interested in this topic. That's it.